Hello friends, welcome to Polyfield. Let's create a golf ball today. First, delete this default mesh. Now take a IQ sphere and give it some subdivision. Make it 4 and give it another subdivision, surface modifier. Don't change anything, just apply it. Now select it and go to the edit mode. Select the middle vertex and we need to select all vertex like this. For this, press Shift plus G and select the amount of the connecting edges. Now we have selected all of this and dissolve the vertex by pressing Ctrl X. We have dissolved them, just we left some. Let's do the same for the all. Shift G, select this and Ctrl X. Now select all vertex and press I to set insert. Just click to apply. Now we have a window pop up, a little window. Select this individual and set this thickness to 0.025 and set the depth to minus 0.015. Okay, now we change the shape. Let's go to the object mode and add another subdivision surface. Make the level viewport to 2 and you can shade smooth if you like this. Now we have our golf ball. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you need any specific tutorials. Thank you for watching again.